Hello everybody and welcome back to Final Fantasy Pixel Remaster. We did have a change class and now we will scavenge for resources. For the magic that we have. But I will not forget to wait, let me use the tent first. Then save. Have you spoken with our King Bahamut? The Dragon King confers a great honor upon the brave. It is customary for dragons to venture northeast to the Citadel of Trials. There, we must test our metal by claiming a token of courage from within. Yeah, we just finished it. The form of the token of courage changes with the times. Do not let its appearance deceive you. Okay, I guess. Okay, nice. Okay, tent. You do not fear me, have some spine in you, human. Wait, what was I going to do next? I get I'm going to the field of water, I think. Yeah. I'm going to beat the field of water, I guess. Oh, Oh. I think that's the next. Oh, swamp. Swampy, marshy area. There we go. Okay, let's get all the treasures. Once long ago, the Northland was filled with beautiful shrines and towering mechanical castles. So very long ago. Oh, so they've seen it. Oh, excuse me. Okay. The dragons of Cardian Islands have no love of senses killing. Oh. We will defeat them. It is a rare thing to have humans visit us here. If you are valiant warriors, you should speak to with Bahamut, our king. Wait, let me change my Oh, gauntlets, eh? Give me that. Okay, nice. Okay. Let's take some more. Okay. Once long ago, there was an age when man and dragon lived together. Okay. Yeah. In the world of Final Fantasy, they can have children. They can form into a human being. I forgot that. Only the truly brave can obtain the token of their courage. Okay, thank you. Oh, sorry. only level 3 magic I need to get, I think, if I'm correct. Again. Oh. Mm. Last serve. I think we will go. Wait. Let's go for now to the. Let's go to Cornelia. This is Cornelia. This is where offensive magic comes from. The early spells of the level 1. Yeah. Cure. No. Cure. Offensive magic. Yep. Yes. Okay, nice. Hey, excuse me. Rude. Level 2. Pravoka. Pravoka. Shock. Okay, thank you very much for that. I really need that. Yeah, I need to have power. Okay, and Blizzard. I am sure only level 3 is the max spell we can purchase for them. Okay. Oh. Yep, let's go to the southwest of the island. Of the continent. There you go. Okay. Fira. Thunder. Okay, nice. Okay. By the way, before I end the episode yesterday, I tell you this, my stupid brain thought that we have saved. Like, did I save? Like that. Then, oops, when I when I load the save, nope, I am not. It's like, it's like that. I was thinking, why didn't I do it? Oh, okay, level 4, I think. Then level 5. Okay, let's go to the level 5 magic. I am sure. Oh, nope, not there. Here. Then I tried to download. What is it again? Tried to download the game. Final Fantasy 2. Of course, the remastered. I love this game. I'm not saying like, yeah, I'm saying I'm like saying a die-hard fan because I'm a big fan of this game. I've been like playing this game all of my life, I think, but not always. Not always. Every year, I always repeat this game. Like, what should I do? But at first, I was a really dumb kid at the time when I played this. Okay, let's go to the another town. I think this is the town I'm going to. Okay, where should I drop? Where should I land though? Out. Wait. I will check the guides. So I'm not saying I'm cheating. I forgot how to progress in this game, so let's get some help first. Alright then, let's do it. By the way, I'm back. I just look at the guide. I know what to do now. I know I'm using a guide, but hey, I need that. Especially Final Fantasy 2. Eesh, Gaia. This is Gaia. Outsiders often call our town the Eye of the Hawk. The Eye of the Hawk. To our south is an ancient city known as the Wing of the Hawk. Wing of the Hawk. So, I think wind. Have you visited the Wing of the Hawk? I can't understand a word what they say there. Hey, I don't believe it. You're outsiders, aren't you? How did you make up this high in the mountains? Can you fly something? Nah, that's impossible. Right? A fairy was living at our spring, but I haven't seen her lately. I wonder what's happened to her. Okay, let's go. My dad has always telling me how the castle to the west was a place to test your courage. I think so, yeah. But for now, let's look at the weapon store. Is this for guy, huh? No problem. Yeah. Optimal. Oh. Let's go. I saw a shining light fly up to the west in the night sky. I know I saw it. Alright, calm down. Okay, nice. There was a scholar studying the Lithuanian language, but I can't seem to recall his name. Is this person? I caught the fairy, so I figured she's mine to do with as I please. What's the big deal? So I sold her to the caravan. So what? God damn it, dude. Dang it, dude. You really are stupid. Oh man, pirates are so dumb. They say a special water called oxale gushes from the bottom of our spring, but only fairies can draw it out. Of course, because it is a supernatural spring. You get it? Okay, get that. Nope. Wait. We need this. Ooh, very expensive. We will need to grind more. Oh. Nope, stupid me. The broom's always to whistle its way out of its chores. I don't know what to do with it. Oh dear. There's a tower in the Yanikurm desert that no one can enter. Some people think it's nothing but a mirage, so it's called the Mirage Tower. No one can say for sure though. Yeesh, 30,000. Okay, let's go. Let's go to an adventure, I guess. Then we will go back here, then buy the, what was it? We will buy the 2 cure and the light spell. At least I have the all null shock, if I'm correct on the pronunciation. I think here. Okay, there you go. Ow. Okay, let's go here, I guess. Wait, no, we will not go here. Let's go there. Okay, we will go. Wait, where is it? Oh dear. Okay. Okay, please. Later we will go to another town. For now, here. There you go. Welcome. Okay. Oh man. No comment for now. Let's grind. I know. I spent a lot of money. But it's for a good cause. Wait. Oh boy. Let's stop the record. Okay, I'm back. Let's go. We got the fairy thing, but next later, and I have the money. I need to buy the level 7 magic. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, at least 12,000 immediately. Noise. Wait, let me go. Ay, no. Wait. Oh yeah. Nah, let's go there. One of the best moments in this game. The best remaster. for me though, because of the modern things like, oh, oh, alright, okay, because of the UI, I think, if I'm correct on the word. Legends say the sky people could soar through the sky and build castles above the clouds. Maybe, or I think so. Oh man. Okay, wait. Let me go there. Yeah. Here. Then next, I think I will go to the town. You're the ones who rescued me from that battle? I'm sorry about running away, but I was just so scared. I'll get you some oxyale from the bottom of the spring to make up for it, okay? Oh, that will be fine. It's fine, I know it's very a scary experience for you. Scary experience for you to get taken by some stupid pirate. Okay. Next, I think I'm going to... Air will flow out of that water for as long as you have it. Okay, thank you very much. I think let's go here. I think I'm going to the another town now. Maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I don't know much. I forgot this game now. Where to go like that. This is my next destination, I think. Okay, let's go. Oh. By the way, I edited the game earlier, but I didn't render it for now. I just edited some bits on it. On rock. Okay. This is the destination I'm going. Okay, nice. Look at my legs, aren't they beautiful? I love having legs. Look. Did you see that move I just did? Oh, okay, this is mermaids, okay. You ever hear of something called Oxiel? Yeah, I have it. They say that the shrine sunk into the sea 200 years ago. Now, there are mermaids living there, or so the story goes. Mr. Hermit, you didn't see this girl? She's a mermaid. That underhaired fella from the caravan had something very weird for sale. Yeah, I know. The fairy. Out of me way, blast it. I have been able to catch me a single fish. How am I supposed to keep food on me plate? In me belly? Okay. A fisher or a pirate larper. Cope's been spreading some nonsense story about how he saw a shining thing fall out of the sky. Okay. They say this used to be a beautiful village until 200 years ago. Gravestone. I hope there is gravestone again. All of it are gravestone. Yeah. Are those legs really yours? My father's with the caravan right now. They're over the desert. They're over in the desert to the west. They usually pitch camp by the forest near the north of the desert. I hope he comes home soon. I think, yeah. I think so. Nope. For now, I don't have any money, but I will not. I mean, that's... The sunken shrine is said to be filled with riches. Silver, gold, diamonds, even tablets describing lost languages and civilizations if you believe the legends. Maybe. Long ago, an ancient race known as the Sky People used a language called Lufenian. My brother Unne would always tell me how he'd figure out how to speak it if he only had the Rosetta Stone. Well, that's correct. Let's take a peek at your fish in the water. Oh yeah. Ah, that was rude. Alright. Amazing humans have been honored by the Dragon King. Thank you for that, I think. Hi, my name's Cope. You want to hear about the shining object I saw? I think it fell somewhere near the waterfall to the north. No one believes me, but I think it was some kind of mechanical creature. Alright. You have Oxyel? You're the ones we've been waiting for. Please save the mermaids. Oh, of course I will. But... oh. Why did she teleport? Nope, I am not going there. That is weird. Let me rest first, okay? Yeesh! That was scary. After this, after I defeated the... I think the... what was it? The water goddess. The Fiend of Water. Forgot the name. Marilit was the Fiend of Fire, I think. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. We need to know where the doors are. Okay, one on the left side, two on the right side, one left, right, and left. Alright, let's go. Ay, no, wrong direction. Ow. Wait, what did I have? Wait, what? Oh. Okay. Nothing. Okay. Nothing on the other two, nothing. Okay, it's only on the left. Okay, nice. Okay. Ow. Ouch! Okay, that was painful. There we go. Dead. Oh man, the money is getting lesser. The money is getting lesser now. Okay. Yeesh. Okay, nice. Nice one. Excuse me. Right. Okay. Okay. Okay, so on floor. Alright, where are we going here? How can we cross here? I think we cannot. Hmm. How can we cross this? Okay, let's look at the. Oh my god. No! Ghost. There you go. Dead, nice. $30,000, nice. Okay, alright, nice. Sweet roll. Oh my god. Oh no. Yes, nice. Okay. Okay, no. Okay, nice. Oh, nice. The troll that doesn't attack. Oh man. Why did I get ambush? I think we will go to the other way. I think. Like the right side. So maybe that's the town area of the mermaids. Or not. I just need to put some correction on it. Okay, nice. I'm just thinking where the direction was. Okay. Oh, okay, I've crossed. Too complicated, alright. Okay. Okay, monsters. I don't know, but okay. I guess. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. You're dead. You're dead immediately. Ow. No, no, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Please. Please don't. Oh no. This is the, I think, make you better. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. Petrification. Knew it. This is the one I don't want to encounter. Oh, okay, no. Nice. Okay. Oh no. I am spending some resources. Okay, bad resources. Okay. Oh man. Ambush. Oh! Okay, almost. I think that's paralyzed. And they do that. Okay, immediate. 100,000 immediately. Oh, okay. I don't think I will. Okay, nope. Alright, nice. Yeah. Thunder. There you go, thunder. Dead. Giants clubs. Giants clubs. You're useless, I think. But let's look at. Oh. Okay. Elemental axe. Alright, nice. Okay, they got scared on me. I enjoyed that. Okay. Nice. Okay, dead. Dead immediately. Okay, nice. Oh, nice. Ribbon. What was that for? Okay. 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 I've opened all the doors. Alright, nice. Next. Oh. Oh. Whew. Nice. Okay. I'm very tired. Oh man, excuse me. Excuse me for my moaning. Okay. Alright then. Okay. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, that was nonsense. Okay. That was a nonsense. That was a nonsense. Okay. Nonsense thing. I think we will go, yeah, straight there. There is no chest, right? All right then. Nothing. I thought there is some chest of some kind. Oh. Thank you. Okay. There you go then. Immediately 100,000. Oh. Okay. Let's look at the map again. Where should we? Okay. Bolt through the door. Here. Ow. Ay! No. You need to die. Okay. Okay, nope. Please. Nice. No. Ow. Wait, what? Why is it lagging? Okay. Oh. What the hell? What happened? Why the FPS drops? Okay. Oh, okay. Nope. It was charging. It was stupid. Nope, you're not going to escape. In the name of the law. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, let's do a quick save. Okay. You humans do impress. Would not have thought to see you here. Well, of course we will. Okay, Cthulhu Larper. But do you really think you can defeat the Fiend of Water here in my own domain? Fools, this dark depths shall be your tomb. Okay, of course. Thank you for saying that. But because I know it. Yeah. It's not from ours, but hey, at least Null Frost. Null all. Okay, okay. Wait, what? I think so. Here. Thank you. There you go. Okay. 3. Oh, okay. Nice. Thunder. I think do. Okay. Nice. Ow. There you go. Nice. Okay. Okay, nice. Yeah! This is your tomb, Mr. Fiend of Water. You deserve that. Okay. We get the third elemental crystal. Yep, we got the elemental crystal now. The last one was wind, but I will do it in a cliffhanger for now. So I can use, let's go to the right side because we need to get some I will say supplies. No, not supplies. Excuse me. Yes, I will. On the right side, maybe there is a shop there in the town. Okay, let's go there. Oh, no. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay. Nice. There you go. If I'm correct, yeah, this is the. Okay. Okay, nice. Ow. Yeah, I think so. This is the town. Okay. This is the town they have. Okay. Wait, let's check it out for now. Okay. Okay. Okay, major stuff. This is okay. Okay, nothing. That was useless. Okay. Okay, another one. Okay. Wait, there are no towns. I know there is some towns. Townships, I think, on this game. On this game. Yeah, on this game. On the Sunken Shrine. Wait, why don't they have it now? Weird. Okay. Yep. Another. Okay, let's get some bote. For now. Let's get some bote. We need to plunder this place. And be like pirates. Yar. Okay. They are becoming more powerful. Oh man. That's okay. 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 Okay, nice. Oh, nice. Right then. No. You receive a message. Okay. Who? Oh. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay, nice. Sila Aneki at okay. May Aneki maybe chatted and then been a member there for take it, I think. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh! Oh, why did you flee? You don't need to flee, I'm not very scary. Because I didn't hurt you yet. Sahagin chief. Then, the royal. Okay, we will kill the royal of course. Okay, nice. Yeah, this is the chip, the red. Oh! Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh, nope, you're not going to flee, my friend. Nope. I need your XP and gears. Okay, nice. I think this is the town now. Yeah, this is the town now. Yeah. Oh, my prayers have been answered. Oh my. Yeah, I know what you feel. If the light of the sea is lost, we will turn into sea foam and vanish forever. No, don't worry, we've defeated already the Fiend of Water. Never worry it again. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you for that. Maybe I can get that on another one. One of our friends went to see the world above and hasn't returned. I wonder what she's doing now. I do hope she's alright. Yeah, she's alright and kicking. And very happy. You can breathe underwater? How? How? Because I have a submarine. Thank you so much. Now the beauty this stretch of sea once new will surely return. Of course, it will. Are those the crystals the legends speak of? Just who are you? We are the four warriors of light. Little lassie. This is the uppermost level of the shrine. The Kraken, the Fiend of Water, nest on its lowest level. Okay, that's the antidote. Oh, okay, no. The Mirage Tower stands in the desert to the east of the continent, right? Well, I saw someone go into the tower. I heard the most of the chiming sound. Alright, another deceiving thingy. While the Fiend of Water lives, the light of the sea grows over darker. Okay, give me that. Give me that shield. 5,000, nice. Okay, 200,000 immediately. If the light of the sea is not restored, we will vanish as foam as on the waves. Don't worry. We've defeated the Fiend already. Never worry about it, young lassie. Okay, where should I go here? Where should I go? Yeah, where should I go here? I think I need to go there. To another stairs. Another set of stairs. Oh. Rosetta Stone. Nice. You have it. Diamond helmet. Okay. Armlet. Okay. Okay. Oh man, okay. That that was surprising. Okay. Thank you for your service and goodbye. Thank you. Okay, let's go back to the mountain town. Ay wait, let's check some okay, I forgot. Let's go check some if there is some sword shop, I think, on rock. If there is not, okay. Yep. Oh. Nope, nothing. Okay, worm. Okay, nice. Okay. We will go to the mountain town again. So we can buy some more skills. Okay, we will go there later. But we will stop the episode after. Oh, that was stupid. Why did I go here? On Gaia. Alright. Yeah, I need those. Okay. Okay. Let's go there. Are those relics really yours? Okay. Saber. Okay, I don't care. Okay, so 7. Okay, nope. Okay. I think this is the end of the episode, everyone. They do the usual YouTube things like then dislike, comment, share, and follow for more, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Deus Volt. Those heroes of
antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-row-row and a row-row-row for the British Grenadiers.